Look, my tree fell. See, my branch, it fell. And that crap is heavy as heck. The city's supposed to be coming out and taking it away. They're supposed to be coming out and taking it away. So, but my thing is pretty much stuff always happens, right? It's always something. But you gotta have a stress buster. And this one, for me, is one. I went in the store the other day and I seen a guy. If you see this, hi, make a comment maybe on the video. And he was like, hey, you still jumping? And I'm thinking, do I know you? He said he saw me from Facebook. He's like, I saw you from Facebook jumping. He said he does jump, so maybe you'll jump too. It's not like you have to, but if you want to. And I'm glad I'm motivating people to, you know, if you maybe you're not a gym member, maybe you don't go to Planet Fitness, but you can still work out right where you're at in the jump rope. I got my branch here like this. The city will come. It didn't fall on my house. Me and my son are safe. I'm good. Jump it out. Jump your age challenge. Let's jump. Jump your age. Let's make sure I got my ropes right. And I'm ready. I jumped 58, and I'm jumping more because I've been jumping. My momentum is up. You got to get your momentum up. That's what it is. When I first started, I think I jumped like three, and I was out of breath. And I smoke cigarettes. I do. That's my thing. I don't drink, but I smoke cigarettes. But this right here is helping me cut down. So however way you want to do it, move your body. Jump backwards. Do what you gotta do. Just do it. Just do it.